Flex 50 is a flexible urethane rubber mixed 1:1 by weight with a 4-minute work time and a 2-hour demold time. Its sure hardness of 50 makes it great for parts that require a medium flexibility like automotive parts, medical parts, and some gasket applications. Measure out equal parts of side A and side B, mixing thoroughly and quickly to combine both sides. Quickly degassing the mixture helps ensure bubble-free casting when hand pouring. You can also cast Flex 50 under pressure to eliminate any visible air bubbles. Add color with dyes to perfectly create new or replicate existing parts. Pour Flex 50 into your mold within the working time to ensure a good casting. Flex 50 is ready to demold in just 2 hours and is fully cured in 72.